If you're decorating for a party, a wedding, or a seasonal event and you want something that's going to add texture and a natural look, this set of moss table runners could be a perfect choice. It comes with two moss sheets that are 71 inches long and 12 inches wide. Once unfolded, you can lay it flat across your table. The moss is made from a nylon material, which helps it maintain its shape and texture over time, and the color variation gives it a realistic, natural appearance. You can also trim it very easily if you need it to fit a smaller table or to be used in other DIY projects. It works well as a table runner layered with flowers, candles, or table settings to create a party atmosphere. You can use it for weddings, birthdays, garden themes, or seasonal decor. Because of the durable nylon construction, it is designed to maintain its shape and color even with repeated use. It can also be used on console tables, outdoor setups, or as part of wall decor for creative projects. Easy way to add some beautiful texture and a natural element to a table setup or some other space in your home without the need for smaller fake moss products or real moss. This would be a really wonderful choice. The quality of it is amazing and I think it looks so beautiful.